What's up, everybody? It's AI Money Mind TV here, and listen, let's be real, we're all glued to our phones, right? But what if I told you that thing in your hand, the one you're probably watching this on right now, could be making you serious cash? Not just a few bucks here and there, but potentially $500 a day or more. That's right, your smartphone is a powerful tool, and today, I'm breaking down the top 10 side hustles to monetize that thing and start generating real income. We're talking about ditching the 9-to-5 grind, becoming your own boss, and building a life on your own terms. If that sounds like the dream, you're in the right place. Hit that like button to join the hustle. Subscribe so you don't miss out on future money-making tips, and let's dive into the strategies that could change your life. First up, we're talking about freelance writing. If you've got a knack for words and grammar, this one's for you. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are teeming with clients looking for talented writers. Set your own rates, work from anywhere, and build a portfolio. Start with smaller projects to gain positive reviews. As you gain experience, charge higher rates and attract bigger clients. Next up, let's talk about sharing what you know and getting paid for it with online tutoring. If you excel in a subject, there's a huge demand for online tutors. Platforms like Schooly, TutorMe, and Chegg Tutors connect you with eager students. Many value experience over formal qualifications. Create a compelling profile highlighting your experience. As you gain positive reviews, adjust your rates accordingly. Online tutoring offers flexibility, satisfaction, and steady income. Let's be real, everyone's on social media these days, but not everyone's a master at managing it. That's where you come in. Small businesses are constantly searching for social media managers to handle their online presence. And guess what? You can do it all from your phone. Think about it. Creating engaging content, scheduling posts, running ads, and interacting with followers, it's all done through those apps you're probably already using. To get started, reach out to local businesses or those in your niche and offer your services. Create a portfolio showcasing your social media skills and any successful campaigns you've run. Remember, clear communication is key. Establish clear expectations with your clients, provide regular updates on your progress, and always strive to deliver exceptional results. As you build your portfolio and reputation, you can attract higher-paying clients and grow your business. Social media management is a fantastic way to combine your love for social media with your entrepreneurial spirit, and your phone is your key to success. Chapter 4, Virtual Assistant. Be the behind-the-scenes powerhouse. Ever wished you had an extra pair of hands to tackle your to-do list? Well, guess what? Busy professionals and entrepreneurs often feel the same way, and that's where virtual assistants come in. As a VA, you provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely, all from the comfort of your phone. We're talking about managing emails, scheduling appointments, booking travel, creating presentations, and so much more. Platforms like Zirtual connect VAs with clients looking for specialized skills. Whether you're a whiz at organization, a master of communication, or a tech-savvy problem solver, there's a VA role out there for you. To stand out from the crowd, highlight your specific skills and experience. Consider specializing in a particular niche, such as social media management, customer service, or bookkeeping, to attract clients looking for your expertise. Being a VA is all about being organized, proactive, and detail-oriented. Clear communication with clients is crucial, so make sure you're responsive, reliable, and always deliver high-quality work. Chapter 5. Selling digital products. Create once, sell forever. Now let's talk about passive income, the holy grail of side hustles. And one of the best ways to generate passive income is by selling digital products. What are digital products? Think ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, stock photos, the list goes on. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can be sold over and over again without any additional effort on your part. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even your own website make it easier than ever to list and sell your digital creations. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would pay for? Turn that into a digital product. Create high-quality products that provide real value to your target audience. Market your products effectively through social media, email marketing, and even paid advertising. Once your products are up and running, they can generate passive income while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big idea. Chapter 6. Affiliate Marketing. Get paid to promote what you love. Ever told a friend about an amazing product you just had to share? Well, imagine getting paid for it. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Partner with brands you love, promote their products, and earn a commission. No need to create your own products or handle customer service. Just recommend products you believe in and get rewarded. Ever dreamed of starting your own online business without dealing with inventory, shipping, or handling customer service? That's the beauty of dropshipping. With dropshipping, you create an online store and partner with suppliers who handle the rest. You list their products on your website, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. The best part? You never have to touch the product or deal with any of the logistics. You're essentially the middleman, connecting customers with products and earning a profit on the difference between your selling price and the supplier's wholesale price. Platforms like Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up your own online store, even if you have zero technical experience. Research different dropshipping suppliers and choose those that align with your niche and offer high-quality products and reliable shipping. Market your store through social media, paid advertising, and content marketing to drive traffic and generate sales. Are you always the one snapping amazing photos? Do you have a knack for capturing stunning landscapes, mouth-watering food, or adorable animals? Well, guess what? Those photos could be making you money. Stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo are constantly on the lookout for high-quality images to add to their libraries. And the best part, you can upload and sell your photos directly from your phone. Think about it. You're already taking photos. Why not get paid for them? Focus on capturing high-quality images that are in demand. Think about what people might be searching for: images for websites, blogs, social media, even print materials. Once you've built up a portfolio of stunning images, create accounts on stock photography websites and start uploading your work. Each time someone downloads one of your photos, you earn a royalty. Remember, consistency is key. The more photos you upload, the higher your chances of generating sales. So get out there, start snapping, and turn your passion for photography into a profitable side hustle. Listen, we're all spending hours on our phones anyway, so why not get paid for it? App testing is a fun and easy way to earn extra cash by providing feedback on mobile applications. Companies are constantly developing and improving their apps, and they rely on user feedback to make sure they're user-friendly and bug-free. Platforms like User Testing, TestBirds, and TryMyUI connect you with companies looking for app testers. You'll be asked to complete tasks, provide feedback on the app's design and functionality, and report any bugs or issues you encounter. The best part? You don't need any technical expertise. All you need is a smartphone, a stable internet connection, and the ability to follow instructions and provide clear and concise feedback. Sign up for multiple app testing platforms to increase your chances of getting selected for tests. Be honest and detailed in your feedback, as this is valuable information for app developers. App testing is a great way to earn extra cash in your spare time, all while helping companies improve their products. Last but not least, let's talk about online surveys. Now, I know what you're thinking. Surveys? Really? But hear me out. While they won't make you rich overnight, online surveys are a super easy and flexible way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Market research companies are constantly looking for consumer opinions on a wide range of products and services, and they're willing to pay for your feedback. Sign up for reputable survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. These platforms connect you with paid survey opportunities that fit your demographic and interests. Be honest and thoughtful in your responses, as this will ensure you continue to receive relevant survey invitations. While each survey might not pay much, the earnings can add up over time, especially if you make it a habit to complete surveys regularly. Think of it this way. You're already scrolling through your phone. Why not answer a few questions, share your opinion, and earn some extra cash while you're at it? There you have it, guys. 10 incredible side hustles you can start today, all from the power of your smartphone. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't expect to get rich quick, but with hard work and dedication, These side hustles can help you achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. The best part? You can choose the hustles that resonate with your skills, interests, and schedule. Whether you're a wordsmith, a tech whiz, or a social media guru, there's a side hustle out there for you. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step today, explore the possibilities, and start building your phone-powered empire. And hey, if you're hungry for more money-making tips and strategies, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey to financial freedom.